The emergence of large-scale AI training requires sustained sequential bandwidth that traditional enterprise storage architectures simply cannot provide. An 8-GPU H100 node demands over 7 terabytes per second of aggregate bandwidth. Without an AI-native data path, GPU utilization often drops below the 50% minimum threshold, incurring a 30% idle time penalty on your most expensive hardware. Efficient storage architecture now dictates the actual return on your GPU investment. This imbalance creates the storage wall. While GPU compute performance has grown by orders of magnitude, storage improvements remain modest, leaving clusters starved for data. To break the wall, architects must move past the classic DRAM, SSD, HDD pyramid and adopt a directional, multi-tier data availability boundary. Data must transition from petabyte-scale object storage to GPU high-bandwidth memory, moving from millisecond latency to nanosecond execution. Conquering this boundary requires scaling each tier independently to match the deterministic access patterns of AI training loops. Parallel file systems and local NVMe flash serve as the performance cornerstones, providing the high-bandwidth buffer needed to feed GPU accelerators. However, hardware selection is critical. Running model checkpoints on QLC flash can trigger write-cliff events that extend save times by 10x, stalling the training pipeline. GPUDirect Storage eliminates the host CPU bottleneck, moving data from persistent storage into GPU memory with extreme efficiency. Pairing these bypass paths with multi-threaded prefetching ensures that your compute resources never wait for the next training batch. At the capacity layer, object storage acts as the exabyte-scale source of truth. Implementing a data lakehouse adds ACID transactions and strict governance to these massive repositories, ensuring safe, reproducible training runs. Architects must balance the extremes. Active NVMe flash delivers up to 14 gigabytes per second per drive at $400 a terabyte, while high-capacity object storage scales at $30 a terabyte, but a fraction of the speed. Connecting these layers require uncongested RDMA storage networks. Without this high-speed fabric, you cannot meet the microsecond response times required for real-time inference. Balancing these requirements leads to flash-fronted bucket architectures, caching hot datasets on fast NVMe to hide the latency of deeper object tiers. Long-context large language models introduce new memory sub-tiering challenges. As token counts rise, the KV cache consumes gigabytes of memory, rapidly exhausting available HBM. This growth intensifies data gravity. Managing it requires precise storage-to-compute ratios to keep massive datasets logically close to their processing units. Emerging pillars are beginning to dissolve traditional silence. Computational storage will process data natively on device. CXL will pool memory across clusters, and AI-native file systems will optimize specifically for deep learning I/O. These technologies move the architecture toward a unified fabric, where all memory and storage across a cluster are treated as a single, addressable resource. I/O constraints now supersede raw compute power as the primary bottleneck preventing the next major wave of AI innovation. Assess your specific workloads now. You must mathematically differentiate your sequential training needs from your random read inference demands to dial in your storage ratios. Decouple your tiers, accelerate your data paths, and optimize your architecture before making any further hardware investments.